Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. We're just checking the terminals and connections on this battery, and it's not like we haven't seen it before, but I just want to point it out. This is not ideal. I mean, you know, wing nuts, they're kind of for temporary things you need to disconnect all the time. This, you shouldn't need to do that. This should have a proper nut on it. I'd suggest maybe either a nut with a spring washer or a nylock even. They don't need to be super tight because you don't want to pull this stud out of the lead and wreck your battery. But look, at the moment they're as tight as you can go by hand. Look at that. See, that's still, I'll try and hold this still. See that? That's moving, right? And that's as tight as you can go by hand, right? So just because it's a stainless wing nut and the quality of it, it's not flat on the bottom. So it's only touching over at the back side. So what that means is there's not enough pressure evenly on the whole surface to secure that. Same deal over here, right? So again, I've checked and tightened those already, but I thought as soon as I showed you that other battery terminal, I want to show you this as well, right? So it is connected and it is tight and it's just been up the cape and it didn't come off, so it's not going anywhere, but I wouldn't be happy with that. So whoever installed this battery system and wiring and electronics, you need to pull your socks up. Not good enough. People are paying good money for these sorts of installations, and while we're at it, we'll just go a bit further to say, can you do it a bit tighter? I mean, you know, you've got all this stuff jammed in there in the way of things. We come around here, you've got the red arc isolator, the wire's running straight in front of the clip of the airbox. We can't even get to that clip easily, you know. I see this time and time again. It's painful. People, please do things properly. Any good auto electricians that know what I'm talking about out there that can do these jobs properly, please let us know who you are. Feel free to put a comment there, and you know, if it's a good one and we think you might be doing the right job, we'll obviously allow it to stay there. And we just need to get people's vehicles set up right so they're reliable. Come on guys, stop wrecking cars. All right, have a nice day. See ya.